Your first ever Wish came product.
3, 2, 1 and go.
Studying, you know कि अपने लिए वो 8 ग्लास पानी पीना ही एक बड़ी बात होती है अगर if you manage to do that as well. So that is when we came up with the idea of multi-functional skincare, where we can give solutions for people like us. Why I think I resonated with Sara's content also because she is a hustler. She knows the thing that she is doing. She knows. चाहे वो weight loss हो, चाहे वो body positivity हो, making content हो. I have seen your content where I need to have you. I need you to try our products because I know एक बार I try to do that. So thank you for supporting.
It's so less inventory that you are convinced to keep it. If I need a vitamin C serum, this one goes, and she's very mindfully curating products. So that's like whenever she's developing something, or she tells me I'm doing this, but it takes so long for it to come. So you know कि हाँ बहुत टाइम लेके आराम से अच्छे से they are launching a product.
We hardly have 3-4 launches in the entire year. We are not behind number of launches. We have launches करके जाना है just to show that we are a big brand.
So much of sunburns and this pigmentation. Now also I'm working still, but it's truly changed the game. I love anything ceramide in the product. It's a game changer.
We have seen that. So we try to have multiple problems to make solutions.
And I'll see what difference it makes. I'll make a video. But this year I think after I lost weight, जो type का hair fall हुआ, like इतना frizz दिख रहा है, I'm like आने they don't like.
For younger people, I think it's still like it's easy. I really never thought that for people above 35-40 it would come back. I really thought that it would not. It would really not, and this is how I would have to live with it. I'll tell you, this was a challenge when we had marketing about the product, and we thought कि लोगों को तो product का ही बस ऐसे snap करो, and transition हो.
Yeah, my moisturizer is the night because it's quality of the point of the better and product free. And so
A few moments later.
Physical exfoliation or chemical?
chemical.
Full glass or no makeup?
What is that?
Wash your head or dry shampoo?
Wash my hair or dry shampoo. It's very tricky.
You're supposed to be that way.
Wash my hair.
Skincare or just Netflix?
Netflix edition.
Tinted SPF lip balm or acne?
Tinted SPF. With two-tone pigmentation, I like it in all my makeup. That's it? Amazing. Now I have questions for you all, which Deep has made and Sheryl has made.
Whoever will take the answer first will get it.
Yeah, you have to raise your hand now because if you are screening the answer, so itne gifts nahi aate.
Yes, I question.
No, we have more. You come up. Yeah. I know it's correct. Yeah. This Reed also got it wrong. So you are
all the questions that I get right, I don't get ready for it. One question that you get one question, and then you get to the rest of the
Yellow is like Sara yellow.
I think my favorite color is yellow. I think exactly, and I have told you that my favorite color is also yellow.
Exactly.
6, 7. One word to properly 6. Yay! What is my ideal beach vacation? Is it mountains, beaches, or cities? Yes. See, beaches is actually, अगर जो mountain or beaches है तो beaches correct. Yeah. But if I'm given an option for cities, I love Thailand, Dad and me. And we did a YouTube video, which will come.
You want
So we got insights. We got insights that it's coming.
Yeah, that YouTube video is coming. Okay. One wish care product that I always carry in my bag. तो bag में थोड़ा डालके Yes.
Lip balm.
Yes. The fan club that I follow. Yeah.
You have another hyaluronic.
Yes. Do you know me at all? I really wish. I your number.
It comes in both things.
Yes.
I mean, it should. It's very cute. So initially when Sara and I were in our talking phase, so she asked me about the sport that I follow. So there are 9 follow multiple sports. But then when I asked her, do you follow any sports? She said, I am interested in F1, but I don't watch F1.
Because the drivers are gone. Yeah, exactly. Like sport I don't watch, but I follow them on Instagram. So that's considered. Yes. I love the section. Dude, she should be one product. You should be credit. You need to be giving her like a yeah. Oh, next question. How do I choose to escape from the chaos? But every
I think you can finish the products, otherwise first time. We have surprise. The TV camera as well. You guys can try out such things are the reality camera.
and this texture is truly that. Can I try this?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So I have already applied it, but it's very lightweight. So lightweight, but at the same time it works. The filter is there. There's a UV camera right here. I've never really used one, but you can tell that अभी मेरे face and neck दोनों पे the sunscreen is very much present. See? The fabric is black, and I will put this on at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. तो अभी तक the sunscreen is there. कौन सी कैसे use करते हैं? तो spray like clean and it's easier to spray this than any other hydrogen that comes in a dropper because you don't know how much quantity you want to use. I just got my hands on this. I'm trying this out right now. The multi-peptide and effort shampoo. These also I love. This is what I'm saying that these textures. I've used another sunscreen body lotion. जिसका texture is like very white cast and फटाफट नहीं absorb होता है. But ये बहुत gel like feel करता है. देखो immediately चला जाता है. So that's pretty much what my favorite thing about Vishnu. Almost finished the first bottle because I'm only applying it on my hands whenever I'm wearing it. Then we got the vitamin C serum, which is a new product. It just launched last year and I had the tester since October and I love the formula because vitamin C again is a product that breaks me out very easily. Like जैसे ही लगाती हूँ मुझे vitamin C is unstable. I've broken out of so many brands का vitamin C and I've not been able to take the campaign ahead because I break out. But this vitamin C suits me and it's very again watery, hydrating on the skin and it has 5 different types of brightening ingredients. So it's really for brightening your complexion. I feel like this skincare is a skincare that works on a daily basis. It's a skincare that you will love. If you like it, I may be able to do a campaign. And there is no brand that tells me that. You know, so I think that associated the minute I'm coming to Kolkata, I called Sudha, I was like, I'm meeting you, but do you want to do something with my audience also? And she was immediately on board. So I love that. Thank you so much for always supporting me as well and being there for me just as much as I always be there for Vishnu because I love the brand, I love the team. I love working with all of them so much. And thank you so much for all of you to take your time out and meet me. Thank you.
We love you, Zara.
मुझे अभी थोड़ा अजीब लगता है like whenever I have people tell me कि क्या बात है I'm like हाली मुझे start करा but I didn't.
And I was supposed to reach 13 minutes.
That's why I guess.
So right now I'm at the Wishcare office and I don't know, like it's been also so crazy. Oh my god, I met Sarah. I can't believe, honestly. And right now I'm so sweaty and whatnot, but oh my god, Sarah is just behind me. I don't know if you can hear or not, but she's just here behind me. Oh god, we came a long way, guys. And I came here with Shoma. She will, but anyways, I'm so happy. কেমন লাগলো? I can't believe that she is behind and I'm doing this vlog on the same frame. And so hard. What a life.
Your first ever Wishcare product.
Okay, I love your lip balm. Your watermelon is I love it. That takes so well with my pigmentation. I love it.
Right. So what Wishcare product you always use?
Always recently with the body lotion, but now it's somewhat perfect. The sunscreen body lotion is perfect.
Hair care or skin care? Where does Wishcare went to?
I think it's semi both because the hair growth serum does show result after a long time, but skincare is like this.
And what does multifunctional healthcare mean?
That is affordable, that the texture is good like Sarah says, and that works ultimately for
Right.
every Indian skin.
Agree, 100.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you. हाँ फाइन फाइन माजा
गेट खोल दो आप लोग भी अंदर आ जाओ करो भाई गेट
Always behind the job. Neil, very hard. सब लोग इधर. Thank you.
Minimal skincare, you know how, so that has been our ethos of how to build minimal skincare routines using multifunctional formulas, biomimetic ingredients.
One eternity later.